Hello, everyone, and welcome to this transformative masterclass. I am in this masterclass. We will address the common frustrations and misconceptions surrounding English learning. We will uncover the three core secrets to effective acquisition, and I will walk you through our comprehensive English mastery program built upon the natural method. Get ready for a shift in the perspective. Everyone wants to learn English, isn't it? The desire to speak English fluently is widespread. Whether it's for career advancement or personal growth or connecting with a global community, English has become an indispensable skill, we can say, right? However, the path to fluency is often riddled with challenges. We counter and encounter problems like the very first one, pronunciation and accent. See here, many learners worry excessively about achieving a perfect accent. Clear pronunciation is important. Focusing solely on mimicking native speakers can hinder natural expression. Number two, grammar is a must. Yes, most of the people have this idea in their mind. Grammar is must. The belief that you must master every grammar rule before speaking is a common roadblock. While grammar is essential, it's more effectively learned in context, not as a prerequisite. Okay? If you are going to learn English as a language, grammar is not an important thing. And if you are considering English as a subject, yes, grammar is must. So keep this in mind. Number three and four. What is the third one? Don't have enough environment. And nobody is there to practice. Lack of a supportive environment or practice partners can feel isolating. But with the right strategies, you can create your own immersive experience. Only practice is not sufficient. See here, my dear friends, repetitive drills without understanding or context won't lead to a genuine communication skills, right? So these challenges highlight the need for a different approach to address these misunderstandings, cultivate the right mindset, and most importantly, employ the right method. And that's why I have developed two core important rules for rapid and effective English learning. Rule number one, remove wrong English learning method and habits from your brain. That is rule number one. And coming to rule number two, learn to follow the right methods. To master the English, there are some rules and only three secrets. Here, these rules are the foundation of our natural method. But To effectively implement them, you need to understand these three crucial secrets. The right method we employ is where the magic truly happens. It's not just about memorizing rules, it's about engaging your subconscious mind. So, think about learning to ride a bicycle. Initially, it's acquired and requires conscious effort, balancing, pedaling, and steering, right? But with practice, these actions become automatic. Your subconscious mind takes over, allowing you to ride without actively thinking about each step. Am I right or not? Similarly, when you first learn to drive a car, you are hyper aware of every gear change, every turn, right? See here, experienced drivers, however, navigate roads effortlessly, often while conversing or listening to music as well. That means their subconscious mind is in control, right? Our natural method works in the same way. By using specific techniques, we bypass the limitations of a conscious learning and tap into the immense power of your subconscious. We create new neural pathways, making English communication fluid and natural. So, if we learn this natural method, our subconscious mind will do the work in the conscious world. Now, you might be wondering how you can implement this natural method in your own English learning journey. I am excited to share that we offer comprehensive program at BNC Academy to guide you every step of the way. We have limited slots available for our upcoming sessions and I invite you to join our community for successful English speakers we provide. And coming to online classes, accessible from over 6 countries, bringing expert instruction to your fingertips. And offline classes for those who in a Visakhapatnam area join us for in-person learning and community support. And as a special bonus for the summer enrollments, you will receive 2 incredible gifts. A powerful resource to expand your vocabulary and master spoken English, which is 1000 action words with their 5 forms. A PDF. That means an ebook, right? And the second important gift it is a complete 21-day spoken English consistency challenge program. A structured program worth 2,999 absolutely free, designed to build daily habits and accelerate your progress. So, my dear friends, to learn more about our programs, course details, and enrollment, please visit our website www.bncacademy.in. Don't miss this opportunity to unlock your English potential and transform your communication skills. This is Chinmay Dashreddy signing off.